Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Marcus and today in this tutorial I will share with you how to design this poster in Adobe Illustrator. Are you ready? Let's go. First thing, let's set up our document. We are going to use a 1700 by 2400 pixels in RGB mode and press create. Then select the type tool and write something cool, like hello or hola. Cool, now let's change the font to something more relaxed. I'm going to use the font Outward. Don't worry, I will leave a link in the video description to download it for free. Then let's change some words capitalizations to match our design pattern. And let's right click and create outlines. After that, let's go to our direct selection tool to modify this typeface just slightly, and then right click and ungroup it, and move the words closer together. After that, select both graphics and group them again, and scale them up almost to the same size of the artboard. Cool, now let's add a warp distortion. With everything selected, let's go to Object, Envelope and make it with Warp. A window will open with some warp options. Here you can experiment with a few of them and play with the bend and distortion values. Be sure to tag the preview checkbox to see what's happening in real time. Great, in my case I'm going to use a twist style with a blend value of 100% and 0% distortions and press OK. Then let's stretch it to the side and fill the artboard and go to Object, Expand. Object and Fill and press OK. Then right click and ungroup it, so we can move and arrange each element individually. Now let's move to the side and design our smile graphic. Let's select our ellipse tool and make one. Change the color to yellow and then go to Edit, make a copy, go back to Edit and select Paste in Front. With our new copy selected, let's right click and go to Transform, Scale and scale it down to 75%. And press OK. And then remove the fill color, apply a stroke color and increase the thickness and change the stroke to a round cap. Cool. It was a lot of steps, but I'm trying to make this a little bit quick. And to finish our smile face, click on the direct selection tool, select the top point of our circle and delete it. And there it is. Our beautiful smile emoji. But before dragging it to our main design, let's select it all, right click and group it. Now let's drag it over, make a few copies using the Option key on a Mac or the Alt key on a Windows and distribute them in our design. When we are finished and satisfied with the new graphics, quantity and position, we can adjust their scale and rotation to make it a little bit more dynamic. Nice, now let's use the Intertwine tool to twine the smile graphic and the letters. For that, let's select the first letter and smile that we want to apply this effect to, and let's go to Object, Intertwine and Make. Now we will have a lasso tool to select the shape to which we want to apply the effect. And magically the effect works. Let's do the same for the other graphics and that's almost it. But before we finish, let's create another circle and make it white. Then go to Effect, Distort and Transform and choose the Perker and Bloat effect. And let's make it minus 100%. See, now we have a nice shining light to add to our design. And before we go to the next video, let's go to our toolbar and select the Blob Brush tool. Change the stroke to a nice color and add some scribbles to our visual. Of course you don't need to do this. I'm just going to throw a scribble face, I guess. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, cheers. Bye bye.